Yeah, we are from Tamil Nadu. We joined our child with the Patel Public Schools. I like schools very much. The school academic is very good. Behaviors of students also very nice. I like the more attention from teachers, responsibility of a single students also. Uh, my child get a more mark in their her academic. He has offered from the language only. Now he got a language more mark in this term. I like more uh, in the schools in academic based, and co-curricular activities also very nice. He joined a more activity in the school. She got leadership in English leader also in his academic performance. Uh, I like a principal ma'am. She speak so much friendly with us. Thank you for given opportunity to join in these schools.